Happy Cinco De Mayo, everybody. It is me, your girl Symphony, and we are back today for a festive look because, you know me, I like to be festive with stuff, but we're going to also keep it simple because I'm, lazy sometimes. But yeah, so let's get into it. We're going to do a little red, a little white, a little green, a little cut creasing, and I'm going to do a wing. Excited about that part, but I'm gonna do it. So let's hop into this. I am going to start off by priming my lid. Okay, gonna prime my beautiful lid. I can find my primer. We're gonna use our Rude Cosmetic Sculpting Concealer in the shade Light, because I'm looking up these color shades now for you guys. Yeah. Add this to my lid. let's see. Yeah, I think that's cute. My sister's yelling at the animals in the background about being jealous of each other. This is the life I live, you guys. It's so interesting, right? I'm just kidding. I love it and I wouldn't trade it for the world. Okay, so now I feel like I need a little I'm scratching my nose, sorry. I had some mica powder that I was gonna douse in the corners of my eyes, but it seems to be misplaced, which makes me kind of sad. So maybe I'll just use a little bit of the white from the Glam Light paint palette. Maybe. No, because it's a little gold. Oh no. We got glitter where glitter shouldn't go. We got glitter where glitter shouldn't go. Oh no. It's okay. Take a little bit of red. And cover it up like that. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. You know, the crazy thing, I don't know if I've already said this, but I'm just kind of like upset by it. Like, it's freaking Taco Tuesday. I live in California. We take our tacos very seriously. We take our Taco Tuesday very seriously. How ironic is it that Cinco De Mayo falls on a Taco Tuesday and I can't get with my friends and go get tacos? It makes me sad. I'm going to be using these Paint Splash Lashes by Glam Light and the color red. That is the style. Red. They're fiery. I like them. They're extra. Like me. I know it's falling out and that's not really attractive, but oh well. I've used them before. You guys know this. Yeah, we'll go with this one. Why? Because it looks like my lip color, y'all. Whoop, whoop. Ish. I think it does. am I doubting myself? Don't doubt yourself, Symphony. Gosh. I'm just kidding. But yeah. Horchata. Bam. Glam Light. I love them. As you can see. You should tell them about me because I'm literally always talking about their products. You know, they should at least know who I am. I'm just kidding. Love you, girl. But yeah, so this is today's look. Cinco de Mayo 2020. Yes, are we feeling it? I'm feeling it. I feel like I should also go eat some tacos and a burrito because I'm a fatty like that. And today's definitely a day to eat my fillings. If you know me, you know why. But yeah, so other than that, take some shots for me, throw them back. You know, just enjoy the day. Do what you do on Cinco de Mayo. Turn up if that's what you do. Do that for me too. I'm gonna go chill because I don't really turn up like that and we're in quarantine. And you really shouldn't be turning up like that on Cinco de Mayo anyway. But some people do what they want to do. Keep your ass at home. That's what I think. But whatever. Anyways, you know what to do. Follow me on Instagram at sosimp_MUA for all your makeup looks and nail looks and fashion looks, and like to just see me doing what I do when I go to expos, which is just look cute and take pictures and learn. But I don't really show them much of the learning portion. And then subscribe here, like this video, share this video, and I will see you guys next time. Does that sound good to you? Because that sounds good to me. All right, toodles, y'all.